Dear students, I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God and you are staying at home and listening to your parents and following the health issues. So, welcome to my today's class. So, before going to the discussion, let's see what is today's topics. So, today's lesson is on chapter 4, page 26 and 27. So, what is about, or you can guess what is the topic of today's chapter? It is fellow feeling. So let's see the picture. In the first picture, what they are doing, they are helping each other. So the boys and the girls are just carrying a sack and helping each other happily. Then the second one, see a girl's just fall down and a boy or a child helping her to stand up. And the third one, they're together building a wall and helping each other. They are together building a wall, and in this work they're helping each other. Here see the most lovely one, the lovely picture among the four, that the elder brother is helping his younger brother in studies. So each of the photograph indicates that we should help each other, and helping each other is called fellow feeling. Helping each other is called fellow feeling. So in this picture also see the nurse is helping the elderly person. The nurse is helping the elderly person, and most relevant and magical one thing that they are smiling to each other and they are feeling uh, happy. And this picture see that who is in the top of the mountain, there is a person, and another person is riding on the mountain and he is helping him to ride the mountain. Here see a child is climbing on a ladder, climbing on a ladder, and another child is holding it. Another child is holding it. So in these pictures, all of them, there are six pictures, and in all of them, they are helping each other. So the last one is she. Here, a girl is helping a boy who is hurt. So all these pictures indicates about the feeling. That means we should help each other when we need help or when we are in danger. So today's topic is feeling, and it is chapter 4 from your religious book. So there is a question that what do you mean by feeling? So what is the answer? That feeling means to take people's joys and sorrows or pleasures and pain as one's own. You read the question again, that what do you mean by feeling? বা সহমর্মিতা বলতে তুমি কি বুঝো? So feeling means to take people's joys and sorrows or pleasures and pain as one's own. অর্থাৎ feeling বলতে আমরা বুঝি যে একজন ব্যক্তির দুঃখ এবং কষ্টকে নিজের মনে করা, অন্যের দুঃখে দুঃখী হওয়া এবং অন্যের আনন্দে আনন্দিত হওয়া. So Momota and Kamal read in the same class and in the same school. Momota এবং কামাল একই স্কুলে একই শ্রেণীতে পড়ে. তো মমতা reads in class 3 and কামাল reads in class 1. মমতা তৃতীয় শ্রেণীতে এবং কামাল প্রথম শ্রেণীতে পড়ে. So one day Kamal was running one place to another in the road. তো একদিন কামাল রাস্তায় এদিক সেদিক কি করছিল? ছোটাছুটি করছিল. Seeing Kamal running, she prevented him from doing that. তাহলে কামালকে এটা করতে দেখে মমতা কি করলো, তাকে এটি করা থেকে বিরত করলো। So who listened to whose words? Here she mentioned that who listened to whose words? After a little while Kamal stumbled and fell down. তাহলে কে শোনে কার কথা? After a little while Kamal stumbled and fell down. কামাল কি করলো? হোঁচট খেয়ে পড়ে গেল। So there is a wound in the old toe of his right foot. তার ডান পায়ের বৃদ্ধাঙ্গুলিতে সে কি করলো? আঘাত পেল। So it is bleeding. এ থেকে রক্তপাত হচ্ছিল। He started crying এবং সে কান্না করছিল বা কাঁদতে শুরু করলো। By seeing this, Kamal's classmates left him. এটি দেখার পর কামালের বন্ধুরা তাকে রেখে চলে গেল বা তাকে ত্যাগ করল। But Momota did not do that. কিন্তু মমতা সেটি করলো না। So she told Kamal, "Fine, don't cry." তাহলে মমতা কামালকে বলেছি কান্না করো না। এটি বলে সে কি করেছে? তাকে সাহস জুগিয়েছে। She raised courage. That I shall look after. I shall look after. Here's a mistake. There is cook mentioned here. It will be look. So I shall look after. তাহলে মমতা বলল আমি দেখাশোনা করব। Applied medicine on the wounded old toe of Kamal. সে কি করলো? তার ডান পায়ের যে বৃদ্ধাঙ্গুলিতে সে আঘাতপ্রাপ্ত হয়েছিল সে সেখানে কি করলো? ঔষধ লাগিয়ে দিল। মমতা লিফটেড কামাল আপ। সে তাকে উঠতে সাহায্য করলো। তাহলে হু হেল্পড কামাল টু স্ট্যান্ড আপ? সো মমতা হেল্পড কামাল টু স্ট্যান্ড আপ। মমতা কামালকে উঠে দাঁড়াতে সাহায্য করলো। হোল্ডিং মমতা, কামাল ওয়েন্ট টু স্কুল লিম্পিং অন দ্য হিল। তাহলে হিয়ার ইটস মেনশন যে হোল্ডিং মমতা কামাল ওয়েন্ট টু স্কুল। মমতার উপর ভর করে বা মমতার সাহায্য নিয়ে সে কি করলো? খোঁড়াতে খোঁড়াতে স্কুলে গেল। So on reaching school, Momota first took Kamal to his class. So on reaching school, Momota first took Kamal to his class. তাহলে স্কুলে পৌঁছাতেই মমতা প্রথমেই কামালকে তার শ্রেণীকক্ষে নিয়ে গেল। Kamal's class teacher listened everything from Momota. কামালের শ্রেণী শিক্ষক বিস্তারিত মমতা থেকে জানলেন এবং শুনলেন। He became very happy. তিনি খুবই আনন্দিত হলেন। On the other side, Momata's class teacher became very angry for coming late in the class. অন্যদিকে মমতার শ্রেণী শিক্ষক মমতার উপর খুবই রাগান্বিত হলো দেরিতে ক্লাসে আসার জন্য। She said everything in detail to her class teacher. He became very happy. সে বিস্তারিত সবকিছুই তার শ্রেণী শিক্ষককে বলল এবং সেটি শোনার পরে তার শ্রেণী শিক্ষকও খুবই খুশি হলো। So here one thing you must remember that in any case or in any situation we need to help each other. We have to stand for each other because we are human. From the religious perspective that we should help each other. It is called feeling that we will feel happy in one's happy situation and we will feel sad in one's sad situation. So it is called feeling. For that reason we should help each other. So helping others is also a religious thing and it's a virtue and holy thing. So by doing this we will feel good. By doing this we will feel good and we will get also Almighty Issure's blessing by helping each other. Those who are poor, those who are not in good condition, those who are not, those who are starving. So those who are starving, by giving food we can help them. Those who are not rich, very poor, we can help them by giving some money to them. Those who are starving and those who don't have clothes to wear, we can give them clothes. By this way we can help each other. So if you see there are a lot of people around us, those who are suffering from different reasons, so by doing something we can gain the happiness and also get the blessings of Almighty Ishvara. So remember, my dear students, that if you see anything like this, you must stand beside your friend, stand beside your family members, stand beside your neighbors, and you will stand beside any person those you don't know also. If you see someone that they are falling or they are in just accident took place and someone suffering, you need to help them if you know or recognize them or not. It is not a matter that you know them or don't know them. So it is called the mankind or humanity that you need to help others in danger or in a problem. So by doing this, you can feel happy and you can get Almighty Issure's blessing. So to get Almighty Issure's blessing, you need to help each other in any situation. If you are at home, if you are in the classroom, if you are in the playing field or playing ground or playground, so if you see anything wrong or someone just fell into a trouble or problem or any accident took place, then happily just help others. So if you are happily helping others, then they will feel happy and proud of you, and you can get blessings by Almighty Ishvara by doing this work by this way. So that's all for today. So you have home tasks. So just read page 28 and 29 from your book. So you also read page 26 and 27 and learn the important facts and to try to remember them. And read page 28 and 29. So I will discuss them in the next class later on. So till then, be happy and please read the lessons at home and just follow the health issues. If you are going outside, then wear mask. And if it is not very much necessary, don't go outside, stay at home. So your parents will manage everything for you. And if you are just going outside, then wear mask and keep physical distance and help follow the health issues. So after returning from outside, just wash your hand and face and just follow the health issues in the COVID-19 pandemic so that you can be happy and well. So see you in the next class with a new topic from this chapter. So till then, be happy, stay at home, follow the health issues, and read the lessons at home. See you in the next class. Bye bye.